Wonderful view, guys. The weather is absolutely beautiful. It's 25 degrees outside, pretty warm, pretty moist, so I'm sweating a lot. Yeah, just been out walking around, thinking a little bit. Been some days with some rain now, so it's good to be out again, shooting a little bit. I took my Mini 2 up for a short flight and just walked around and did take some photos with my G9. I've been thinking a little bit lately about video editing and which program to use, and I'm finally decided that I'm going all in for Davinci Resolve 17 and I'm ditching all Adobe apps. It's too expensive. I don't see the point of paying so much money for a program like that, so I'm gonna stick to Davinci Resolve 17. I've been using that for quite a while, but lately I've been switching a little bit back and forward to Premiere Pro and Davinci Resolve 17, but I really like the things and the futures in Davinci Resolve 17. It's a powerful video editor, and I really love the layout in Davinci Resolve 17, so I'm gonna ditch Premiere Pro. And I also had a subscription for Adobe Photoshop, but it's the same with that. I don't see the point of keeping it and paying a monthly fee for that program when you have other alternatives. So I've been looking a little bit and finally decided yesterday that I'm gonna go for Affinity Photo. I bought it yesterday, and you only pay $50 US, then you have it for a lifetime. So no subscription, all updates are free. So yeah, Adobe is out forever. I'm not gonna switch back no more. The only reason, if it's possible to switch back to Premiere Pro and Adobe apps, if they get canceled the subscription plans and it's possible to buy the program and for a pretty low cost. Davinci Resolve 17 you can get for free. That's just amazing, and you have a bunch of good stuff in the free version, and it's possible to only use that. The only positive thing with the studio version, like for me especially, is that it seems to be a little bit faster, and I think it uses more of the CPU and GPU, especially in the rendering time. It's extremely fast in Davinci Resolve. I know that before I tested the free version, it seems to be a little bit slower. So, and of course you have some other stuff in the studio version that you don't have in the free version, especially Magic Mask, and you have some tracking option and noise reduction and a bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna stick with Davinci Resolve 17 and Affinity Photo and dump all Adobe apps. They are out. Pretty annoyed. The reason why I used Premiere Pro for a short period of time now and just testing it a little bit and see, because I got an offer from Adobe to pay, I think it was 30% off or 25% off normal price. So I think in US dollars that's around $15 US, but that's only for 1 month. You can buy Davinci Resolve 17, the studio version, for $299, and if you buy Affinity Photo, you pay $350 US, and then you have everything you need. So it's just unbelievable. And like Adobe products, the Creative Cloud, you can buy all the apps for, I think it's $52 US monthly. That's extremely expensive. And then of course you have a bunch of apps to choose from, but I don't see the point of paying so much money for a product like that, and especially like everybody knows, Premiere Pro has been a lot of bugs and crashes and just terrible. I've never had any crashes with Davinci Resolve 17. I started using the Davinci Resolve 17 beta app, and of course we had some issues there, but that's normal. That's the reason why it's in beta. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with Davinci Resolve 17. And in Davinci Resolve, you basically have 3 apps in one software, so that's pretty amazing. You have, of course, Davinci Resolve editing, and you have Fairlight for sound design, and you have Fusion for like After Effects. So Fairlight is similar to Adobe Audition, and Fusion is similar to After Effects. The only difference between Fusion and After Effects is that in After Effects you use layers, and in Fusion you use nodes. It's a little bit tricky in the beginning to get used to Davinci Resolve, but a couple of just do some video testing with it, and you should get it really quick, especially if you're used to using Premiere Pro or other softwares. So it's pretty easy to figure out. So yeah, I'm gonna ditch Adobe forever. You are out. So yeah, I hope the camera is tracking my face. I can't see it. It's standing 2 meters from me. Yeah, but the weather is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's my opinion of editing softwares. I'm gonna stick with the software that I like to use. So yeah, Adobe out, Davinci in. See you. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe. Beautiful view. That's Hatlevik. Beautiful place.